Yeah, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to repair a spindle. These are two broken bolts on the spindle. I'll show you how to fix that. So as you can see, there's two broken bolts here and a broken bolt there on the spindle. And of course this is loose and make your belt fall off. I'm going to remove this deck. I'll post a link in the video below how to remove your deck. You can check that out if you want. Okay, I'm going to take this nut off. If you don't have an impact gun, jam a piece of wood underneath there and take a 22mm socket and take that off. These two bolts out here off the spindle. They'll snap off too. Hopefully get that washer. There's a couple ways I do this. I tried drilling, put an easy out and put heat on it. Maybe 2 times out of 10 it works. Put a washer, weld a washer on the stud, then weld a nut on top of the washer. Well, we'll try the drill method right now, see if that works. Take a prick punch here, right in the middle. Start with a 2.5 inch drill. So I'm gonna look this way if it's straight, then I'm gonna look sideways if it's straight. And now I'm going in. Spray a little lube in here. Again, I'm gonna look straight this way and straight that way. That's good. Go up to 3.5mm. Same one, look this way and that way again. More lube. I could probably go 5mm without them touching the threads. There's different kinds of easy outs here. There's square ones or spiral ones. I'll tap this in here. See if it'll come out. Doesn't look like it's working. Like I say, I don't have a good vibe about these ones. It's not working. Alright, I'm gonna weld a washer here. Clamp it on here. Yeah, check my vice grips, see if that turns. Okay. No, it's not turning. Nope. Just snap right off, snap the bolt off. if I tap this with an 8mm tap by 1.25 pitch, I need a 6.8mm drill bit. So that's what I got here. Again. I need a bigger drill. And my tap in there. I put the spindle back in here. I already put 2 bolts in there already. I'll put the pulley and the belt back on there, and also got to put this back in. So here's another way you can fix these too, is you can drill right through there and put a nut in the bolt. Put the nut on the back side, tighten it down, that'll hold it too. Alright, if you like this video, thumbs up below. Leave a comment, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.